Can you imagine the environmental impact of an energy source that continues to pose risks thousands of years after its creation? Today, we delve into the world of nuclear waste, a byproduct of nuclear energy and its implications on our planet. Nuclear waste, the radioactive byproduct from nuclear reactors, fuel processing plants, hospitals and research facilities, can be classified into three categories: low-level waste, intermediate-level waste, and high-level waste. Each of these categories presents its unique environmental challenges. Low-level waste, the least hazardous of the three, includes items that have been contaminated with radioactive material or have become radioactive themselves through exposure. This includes items like gloves, filters, medical tubes, and even clothing. While this type of waste poses the least risk, it's still not something you would want lying around in your backyard. It needs to be carefully stored and monitored to prevent contamination of the environment and exposure to humans and wildlife. Intermediate-level waste is a notch higher on the danger scale. This category includes resins, chemical sludge, and reactor components. These materials have higher levels of radiation and require more robust shielding and deep geological repositories for safe storage. The environmental effects of improperly managed intermediate-level waste can be severe, leading to contamination of soil, water, and potentially harming the local ecosystems. Lastly, we have high-level waste. This is the bad boy of nuclear waste, containing spent nuclear fuel and parts of the nuclear reactors themselves. This waste remains radioactive for thousands of years and poses a significant threat to the environment if not managed properly. Its disposal is a complex process, typically involving cooling, vitrification, and long-term storage in geological repositories. If not handled correctly, it can lead to catastrophic environmental disasters with long-lasting effects on the environment and life. Nuclear waste, regardless of its level, poses a serious environmental challenge. It's a testament to the price we pay for harnessing the immense power of the atom. While low-level waste is the least harmful, it still requires careful management to prevent environmental contamination. Intermediate-level waste, with its higher levels of radiation, requires more shielding and deep geological storage. High-level waste, the most dangerous, remains radioactive for thousands of years and needs the most stringent safety measures and long-term storage strategies. In the end, the management of nuclear waste is a balancing act. On one hand, we have the undeniable benefits of nuclear energy, an immense source of power that can help us meet our energy needs. On the other hand, we have the environmental implications of nuclear waste, a byproduct of this energy source that can pose risks for thousands of years. It's a complex issue that requires our attention, understanding, and innovation to ensure that we can harness the power of the atom without compromising the health of our planet. So, next time you switch on a light or charge your phone, spare a thought for the complex journey that energy has taken and the challenges we face in managing its byproducts. As we continue to rely on nuclear energy, the question of nuclear waste management will remain an important part of our environmental conversation.